What's up, everyone? Welcome to Jai vlog. I'm being laughed at. Enjoy the video. So we've been up here for like 3 days now. We've got Levi, Finny's over here. And yesterday we just had a pretty chill one. The other day we had a chill days one. And then now we're gonna head up. And we're gonna build a jump. It's pretty windy. We're gonna send some flips. Well, Finn and I are gonna send some flips, so it should be pretty fun. Get keen.
You see those people over there?
Yeah.
They had to hike up from the quad.
Oh, okay.
From mid-station to the quad.
Yeah. We're back mountain right now, guys. We're hiking. It is an absolute trek. Everybody's just sinking. We got Brooksy here, Finn's behind me, Trev, Levi, and yeah, we're all just going down in this. I don't really think you could call it powder. It's all like crunchy shit. But we'll check in with you when we get to the spot. So we have legit been trekking for about 2 hours now down this whole mountain up here. It has been one of the worst experiences ever. Trev's up there building a kicker and we're gonna send some flips. I have no energy. We've been eating snow, but now we found some water. We're about to get a mad drink and I'm that thirsty. It's not funny. Get some, Brooksy. Check. What's your thoughts about this, Finn?
We might die.
I want one glass of water though.
Because the more you eat, the more hydrated, the more dehydrated you get. So by the time you'd eaten, fuck it.
Snow dehydration, boys. Snow dehydration.
Playtime, bitches.
Don't throw that snowball, eh?
It's not going hard.
Oh! So what? Swing through. Pop. I popped out real hard that time. But like when Tyler said, it was like doing backflip on trampoline. It's actually pretty similar.
Yeah. Are you not scared of them anymore?
Fuck no, I'm not scared. Hey.
You gotta go fast.
Yeah! Why can't you do your backflip, huh?
Because I'm shit.
Even the girls' ski team can do it. What's with this?
I'm a pussy.
That was some sick roleplay, boys.
Yeah,
that was so good. Man down, where you from, my nigga?
Where your grandma stay, my nigga? This is Mad City, my nigga. Brace yourself, I take you on a trip down memory lane. This is not a rapper, I'm slinking crack or more cocaine. This is cold and second, plenty cognac and major pain.
Yeah! You're gonna have to send it again, the camera's stuffed up. Come on, hike it back, let's go.
We're gonna fucking kill myself!
Little does he know, it's actually a J.
The drill sergeant put the stress that weighing on your brain. It was me, El Boogie, Yang and YG Lucky. Ride down Rosecrans, it got ugly. Waving your hand out the window, check yourself. Warriors and Conans, hope euphoria can slow dance with society. The driver's seat, the first one to get killed. Seen a light-skinned nigga with his brains blown out.
Epic. Saved ya. Saved ya. Oh man, ski patrol. I thought we weren't getting home one bit.
I was fucking
I was just ready to lay there and die.
We tracked it massive. Brooksy, Finn, Iron, you, and freaking Trevor. I can't speak right. We hiked in 4 hours, hiked out 4 hours, got a bit of a kicker. I got flips, or sent them, didn't grab them first, like didn't get them properly. I can't speak at all. And now we're waiting on something special.